Hi, I'm attorney Samantha Gordon with McIntyre Elder Law, here to discuss the Elder Law report. Today we're going to discuss what a spousal allowance is. What is it? Well, it's kind of what it sounds like. It's an allowance that's given to a spouse after the other spouse passes away. So for example, if your spouse passes away and has a vehicle that's just in their name, how do you get that vehicle transferred out of their name into your name? Well, you can do a spousal allowance. A spousal allowance is a law in North Carolina that allows the spouse, the living spouse, to inherit up to $60,000 of the deceased spouse's tangible personal property. Vehicles, furniture, clothing, jewelry, anything that needs title transferred, which generally can be a vehicle. So a vehicle can be part of that $60,000, meaning that if your spouse passes away, has a vehicle that's only titled in their name, what you can do with a spousal allowance, and what we help clients do all the time, is fill out a document that's submitted to the court that says, this is what is titled in my deceased spouse's name. I'm entitled to it as the living spouse, which doesn't make the spouse that's living have to file for probate, which is the ugly court proceeding where you have to file court documents, you have to ask the court to approve transfer of assets. You also have to open up any assets to creditor claims. So through a spousal allowance, you are entitled to the first $60,000 of tangible personal property from your spouse who passed away, which would allow you to get that property without having to ever file a full estate, also opening up anything to creditor claims. A lot of spouses like to do this because it is an easier process if something were to happen, and it's not going to be something that's drawn out through the court process. So if there's any type of items that could be applicable for a spousal allowance, it would allow you to get that done quickly, to allow you to transfer any of those assets in a time that really isn't something that you want to do, but it allows you to do it in a quicker fashion than opening up a full estate. We handle spousal allowances. We do handle probate. Sometimes that is something that has to happen, but we really also want to meet with our clients to discuss how we can avoid probate, how we can avoid possibly having to do a spousal allowance. So we would love to offer you a free consultation to discuss that and so much more. Our telephone number is 888-999-6600, or you can go to our website at mcelderlaw.com/scheduling.
Please don't wait till